Hey, this is me again, Dietmar from Spotahome here in Vienna. Let me tell you today about an 80 square meter flat in the 4th district, very close to the Technical University of Vienna. You're within 15 minutes walking distance to the very center of town. You're right in the middle of Vienna's embassy district, and you've got a great infrastructure of public transport, also there's supermarkets and all the shops you need in the area. Let me show you around. We're at the bedroom here. It's all old furniture, very classic really. The windows face the yard. It's very quiet. You've got carpet floor here. Underneath you got old wood. You can listen to this if you like this sound. Very nice. Next we head for the living room. It's all furnished. There's a TV set. Everything you see is going to stay in the apartment. It's a very quiet apartment. We head on to the hall. See the entrance there. Head out to the kitchen. Also it's fully equipped. You have the old microwave, toaster, cups, glasses, decanter for red wine, fans, everything here. Let's see what we got, even cutlery. Great, it's all here. There we have a gas stove top, gas oven, dishwasher, gas water heater, fridge. Then through the kitchen you get into the bathroom, all very nice and tidy, tiles all the way up, and we head through this little hallway into the toilet room, all very classy. Very tasteful. We've got central heating. The actual apartment lies within another apartment. You've got your own access, and you can spend a great time here in Vienna. Okay, I think I've shown you everything. Please don't hesitate to contact us on spotahome.com for more information. Bye bye and see you in Vienna. Cheers.